Hi everyone, karibuni tena. For those who are new to the channel, my name is Njeri Gitau. In today's video, I'd like to share 5 tips on how to get your flat twist, halo or crown looking a bit fluffier, especially if your hair doesn't have a lot of volume. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Starting on detangled and stretched hair, the first thing I do is to partition my hair in an asymmetrical shape. This makes it easier to achieve that big, flat twist halo crown effect that we are looking for. The second thing I do is to flat twist loosely and more towards my forehead. The third thing is to ensure that you flat twist straight towards the back. This makes it easier to tuck in your ends after you're done with your flat twist. The fourth thing is to gently tug at the flat twist in order to give it that voluminous look that you are chasing after. It's very simple and it's not dangerous because we flat twisted loosely in our second step. Finally, the fifth thing I do is to play around with the back of my head. Instead of crossing the two flat twist lines, which I think end up looking rather boring, I like to try different things. In this particular case, I undid part of the flat twist to get a little hair that I'm going to roll, tuck, and pin away. So those 5 tips have actually helped me to get my flat twist crown looking more fluffy and just like it has more life, because I really like big hair. If you liked the video, let me know in the comments below, and you can give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thank you for watching.